Hello everyone, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today in this video, we're going to see walk-in interviews for Zydus Lifesciences Limited for production plant operator, filling and packing. So coming to the qualifications for production plant operator, the qualification is B.sc Diploma or ITI, experience 2 to 7 years. For filling and packing, the plant operator or technical assistant, the qualification is B.sc Diploma or ITI, experience 2 to 7 years. And the job location is Ahmedabad. The date is 7 September 2025, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. The venue is Papaya Tree Group of Hotels, AB Road, near DR Eye Clinic, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So scan the QR code to apply for these interviews. So please scan the QR code and register yourself. Then you can attend the walk-in interview on 7 September at Papaya Tree Group of Hotels. So please utilize the opportunity, my dear friends. So this job is for experienced candidates having experience in topical ointment formulation plan. So job location is Ahmedabad. So thank you for watching. For more job updates like this, stay tuned.